and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a Fansells Friday for you today. But for today we have some Christmas diamond painting craft activities. I think some of these may be coming out over the course of December, maybe a bit before December. Let's see how much the full Christmas spirit hits. But yeah, I've got a few things that I like to call off the canvas, or you could just call them Christmas crafts. So first up, there we go, get rid of the crinkly bag. We have this gorgeous Christmas coaster set. So we do get a toolkit with boat wax pen and some baggies, and then we have these beautiful little Christmas coasters. They are on a piece of acrylic. Is it that thick? No, that is too. I thought that was a bit too thick for a coaster. So it's still fairly thick acrylic, but it wasn't two of them deep. It is single-sided, but then you do get a piece of sticky cork to pop underneath to, of course, keep your tables protected when you're done. And then you do get this little holder to pop them all in when they're done. So I think these will be gorgeous to do over Christmas. But we have a stocking, a present, a snowman with a Santa's hat, a poinsettia-ish. It does have different colour diamonds in different places. Then we have some white snow-topped Christmas trees, a reindeer, a Santa's hat and a Santa, or a Father Christmas. But yeah, I think they are really nice, fun ones to do. There are some sort of different colours mixed in with these. So if you can see, the number 1 on these is actually a clear or a silver. So they are dotted about in with the number 7, which in this case I think is green, whereas on this one we've got the 1 dotted in with the red. So you do get that extra little bit of sparkle that will look completely different when it's actually done. Trying to pick them up with my nails is not very good. And you do get, say, coaster backings for all of these. So I think this will definitely be a Christmas activity that we will do. It'd be nice to have just a few Christmas coasters about for the festive season. And then diamonds wise, this is the clear or the silver. This is what was dotted about in with the other colours. We have got a darker shade of red and then a slightly lighter one. As you can see, this will be the background on 2 of those coasters. But then we have your accent colours. Then we have a green and a blue, which again are also the backgroundy colours. We've got some purples and some browns, some black. Then we have a very pale blue. It's very pale blue. That's another background colour. Orange, pinky peachy, more pink than peach, and some pink. So some really nice colours in with that. And you do pretty much the full coaster. And I say pretty much, the gaps are slightly bigger than you'd find on a full diamond painting. But you do cover the whole background, but it is just one side. And this will peel off to give you your sticky underneath. It can just take a minute to start it, but then you get your sticky underneath. I do like to seal these when I am done, just because of those gaps, just to make sure that, you know, you don't want them sticking to the bottom of the coffee cup now, do you? So that is a Christmas craft item number 1. Number 2, there's a few different styles of these, but number 2, we again get a toolkit, just a boat wax pen with this one. This one is a headband with an elf hat. So it actually slides on where the headband's thinner and then goes round, so that you can basically put this on with your whatever costume and give yourself a little diamond painted elf hat. And so there is a few different styles of this type of headband that you can get, but this would, you know, if you go into a Christmas party or even Christmas Day, that might be when this one adorns at least one of the family members' heads. And we have, of course, the elf hat. There is a couple of shades. There is 3 shades of red by the looks of this, 2 shades of green, and then we have some yellow. Pretty sure there was some Santa hats and things as well. To have a quick look at the colours of diamonds, not as many for this one, but still fun. I'd also recommend sealing this one when you're done, just so you don't stick your hair to it. But we have sort of a salmony colour pink, some yellow, we've got some red, a couple of different shades of red. So those 3 shades are the ones that make up your hat. And then we've got 2 shades of green to make up the trim. And then we've got the yellow for the little bauble or bell on the end of that one. So that is Christmas craft number 2. And these are actually all different from things that I had last year as off the canvas items. And then for number 3, again, we get a toolkit boat wax pen. We get some baggies with this one. These are some like Christmas ornament type decorations. Now they do come with some string, though it is quite thick, but you can get the thin stuff that you get for baubles. You could use that as well, or this gold if that matches your tree. But these are Christmas themed lollipops. So we have Father Christmas's belly. We have, I think that's a little reindeer, a snowman, Father Christmas's face, a little reindeer that looks like it's wrapped up, a penguin lollipop, a fox lollipop, a Christmas tree lollipop, oh, Father Christmas getting stuck down the chimney lollipop, and a Christmas pud lollipop. So you pop the diamonds on each of those. They are also single-sided. Oh, we have a little bit bigger for 15. Do we have googly eyes? That is the question. Let's have a look at some of the diamonds in with the Christmas ornaments. We have got baggies there. We don't know whether we do have googly eyes or not, but we have silver or clear. We have some red, pink in a couple of shades, yellow or gold, limey green, pale blue, a mid blue, a yellowy brown. What number's that one? Number 9. Oh, that is like on the reindeer. It's on this little reindeer here. Another brown, which is on the other reindeer. Another darker brown. Some black. Some green. Some like champagne-y gold. Some bigger black diamonds. They're the eyes. So we don't have googly eyes. We just have a bigger diamond for the eyes. And we have some little white ones that look like those buttons that I remember having on babies' cardigans. That's how I always describe that one. And then we also have some little teardrops as well in a lime green. Oh, there to go on the little pieces of holly. I wonder what they were for. So we have little pieces of holly on the side of Santa's hat and on top of the Christmas pudding, and that is where those little teardrop shaped ones go. The thicker black ones are also used on the likes of the snowman and on Santa's belly, as well as for those that need eyes. Where do these little trying to find number 16, where these little ones that look like buttons on a kiddie's cardigan. They're quite small, but they're so cute. Oh, they're on the penguin scarf. They go around the penguin scarf down the middle and here as well. So yeah, that is the third fun little Christmas craft project that I'm sure will be keeping us entertained in our house this Christmas, because we do all turn into excited little children the closer it gets to Christmas, and we love just sitting around the table and pulling out something like this just because we can. And I'm looking forward to definitely pulling out these year on year, possibly even the little Christmas decorations as well, maybe, or maybe just popping them in little places around the house just to bring you that smile when you see you know, a Santa on a lollipop stick or a penguin on a lollipop stick. And as I say, this one will at least be worn Christmas Day, possibly to one of the kids' Christmas work parties beforehand. But I will pop links to all of these down below. There are very similar in a few of these, but different designs. So if you like the idea but maybe want to have a look at the other designs as well, click on the link for each item and you'll be able to see like the name they use to call them. So this might be Christmas coaster. You can always then search Christmas coaster and see all the ones that are similar, because I can't remember if they call this headband or if they call it something else. But if you click on the link for this one, you'll be able to see in the title the word that they use, and you'll be able to search to find something similar. Or of course you could just type in Christmas and see where your little meander journey around the website takes you. But yeah, thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these to share with you all and for keeping us entertained this Christmas. And thank you to you guys for watching. Don't forget, do check out the description box below, but I will speak to you all again soon.